Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about success. So first, think about this. Is there a recipe for success? And if so, what could be some of its elements? Please think about this so we can share during class. Okay, great, let's continue. Now, we're going to be listening to 5 people talking about some of the important things to be successful. So let's listen and number the ideas that they mention.
Page 95. 3. Viewpoint. The 5 laws of success. A. Listen. Take notes on what each person says is most important about success. 1.
How do you get to be successful in life? Let's see. Well, I think you just have to think positively. Don't let things get you down. If you have a positive outlook, people like that. So, yeah.
2.
I think to be successful in life, you just need a good idea. You know, an idea that nobody else has had. You know, if you could just find that one good idea and get it off the ground.
3.
Gosh, the most important thing to be successful and get ahead in life. Well, you won't get anywhere if you sit at home and do nothing, that's for sure. Work hard, I guess.
4.
How to be successful? I think you need to be lucky. Half the time, it's meeting the right person at the right time in the right place. I think luck has a lot to do with getting ahead in life.
5.
Well, it depends, I suppose. I think the most important thing is you need to be motivated. You know, you won't be successful if you're not motivated to be. If you don't want to get to the top, then you won't.
Okay, let's go ahead and check. So first is think positively. Number 2, have a good idea. 3, work hard. Number 4 should be luck. And the last be motivated. Very good. Now, do you agree with these ideas? Yes or no, and why? Think about this so we can discuss during class. Okay, let's continue. Now, I want you to please go ahead and match these sentences. For example, every successful person knows you need a vision. Choose one of the letters A, B, C, or D, or E that means the same. Pause the video while you work on this. Okay, let's go ahead and check. So, you should have every successful person knows you need a vision with all successful people know you need a vision. 2. The 2 men became billionaires, or both men became millionaires. 3. The 2 products didn't sell at first. Neither product was sold. 4. All of these people graduated from college. Each person graduated from college. And the last one, success doesn't come easily, or no success comes easily. Now, do these sentences mean the same? Yes, that's right. Today we're going to be talking about determiners. So, let's go ahead and take a look at them. We're going to match the determiners to what the number of nouns they refer to. Are we talking about a singular noun, 2 nouns, plural nouns, 3 or more, or uncountable nouns? Please pause the video while you match. You should have 2 for each. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this. So, when we're talking about singular nouns, we're going to be using the words each or every if we have a positive sentences, or if we have a negative sentences, we're going to be using no. No person, no member. Now, when we're talking about 2 nouns, we're going to be using the word both if the sentence is positive or both of, and if it's negative, neither or neither of. Now, if you have a plural noun or an uncountable noun, then you're going to be using all or all of if the sentence is positive, and if it's negative, you're going to use no or none of. We're going to take a look at this more deeply during class. Let's continue. So, what is a determiner? A determiner is a word or a group of words that specifies, identifies, or quantifies the noun or noun phrase that follows it. It is also known as a pronominal modifier. Basically, determiners come at the beginning of a noun phrase and tell more about what comes after it, or them in the case of a phrase that has more than one determiner before the noun. So it's being more specific to the noun that I'm referring to. Now, we're going to go ahead and practice. Let's go to student book page 95, exercise B. Here, we're going to circle the correct determiner in the conversations. Let's do number 1 together. Do you know any successful people? Yes, my close friends are successful. Since my close friends is a plural noun, friends, should we use each my close friends or all my close friends? That's right, we're going to be using all because friends is plural. Let's see the next. They worked hard and their efforts paid off. In this case, we have a plural noun, efforts. So we're going to continue using all of. Remember, each and every refer to a singular noun. Next, success is easy. Now think about this. Can you count success? No, right? So then we're going to use no success is easy. None is going to be for uncountable, but only if you have of. Now let's take a look at the next. My friends had it easy anyhow. In this case, we're going to use none of. My friends had it easy. Now pause the video and work on the rest. Then we're going to check. Okay, let's go ahead and check number 2. In what way are the people you know successful? Well, each person is successful in a different way. One is happily married with kids. One is a nurse. Another is very wealthy. But every friend I have is doing what they love. 3. What do you think successful people have in common? Well, they take risks. 2 business people I know got off to a bad start, but neither of their companies failed in the end. They didn't let fear of failure get in their way. 4. What successes have you had in life so far? How do they make you feel? Well, I graduated from college. I'm sure every student is happy to graduate, but for me, college wasn't easy. Both of my roommates thought I would quit. Okay, before you continue, I want you to please pause the video and write down a sentence answering each of these questions we're going to share during class. Okay, now for your homework, you're going to go to workbook page 67, exercise A. Here, you need to circle the correct determiners to complete the conversations. Let's do the first one. Would you say that your family members are successful in some way? Think about this. Family members. We're talking about a singular or a plural noun? We're talking about a plural noun, right? So should we use neither, both, or all? That's right, we're going to be using all. Now pause the video and continue working in this conversation. Okay, we're going to check the in class. Now go ahead and work on conversations 2 and 3. Okay, guys, we're also going to check this during our class. I will see you then. Bye bye!